coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu, and we can tell you now that actor Vijay is going to be TVK's chief ministerial face for 2026 elections, the assembly polls in the state. In fact, in a resolution, the TVK Executive Council has passed a resolution wherein they have named Vijay as the CM candidate in 2026 assembly elections. That's the latest update we are getting for you right now. And actor Vijay has now been declared TVK's chief ministerial candidate for the assembly elections that are due next year. And he, according to reports, is also going to be touring the state between September and December. Now, reports also suggesting that Vijay has, in fact, ruled out any kind of an alliance with the BJP and the DMK, and he calls them logical enemies when it comes to his party, the TVK. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Dharini, so it seems the elections in Tamil Nadu are going to be quite interesting next year. We have TVK, we have TVK now declaring that actor Vijay is going to be the chief ministerial candidate for the party for the polls.
Tamilnaga Vetri Kalagam today had its first executive council meet, and during this executive council meet, a resolution has been passed by the party for Vijay to be the chief ministerial candidate in 2026 assembly elections. So apart from this TVK chief Vijay has also stated that his party will never get into an alliance with either DMK or the BJP at any point in time. This is not only about the upcoming assembly elections. At any point in time, the Vetri Kalagam party will never have an alliance with ideological enemies and divisive forces. So he is ruling out the possibility of TVK getting into an alliance with DMK and the BJP at any point in time, in the future also. So definitely a strong statement coming in from TVK chief Vijay. He says that BJP's evil attempts can work anywhere else but not in Tamil Nadu. The land of Tamil Nadu is known for social harmony and justice. BJP can never do politics in the state of Tamil Nadu by degrading Tamil icons such as Annadurai and Periyar, and TVK will never get into an alliance with ideological enemies and divisive forces. This is a statement coming in from TVK chief Vijay, and this very strongly implies that TVK at any point in time, irrespective of 2026 or 29 or 31, TVK is not going to get into an alliance with either the DMK or the BJP. This is what we can understand, from this statement of Mr. Vijay.
Right. So Dharini, in a way, he has categorically rejected and denied any possibility of joining hands with what he called ideological enemies, and neither with DMK nor with the BJP. And like you told us, not just for the upcoming assembly elections, but ever, there is not going to be a possibility of TVK joining hands with either of these parties. So that makes it a very interesting political situation in the state of Tamil Nadu, isn't it?
Well, definitely, because in the recent past, in the recent 4 or 5 months, several NDA leaders from Tamil Nadu, this includes both leaders from ADMK and BJP, for example, Mr. Nainar Nagendran, Mr. Sellu, Raju, etc. They've expressed subtle interest, towards the idea of Tamilnaga Vetri Kalagam joining their fold. So if Vijay comes to NDA, then it will be really tough for the DMK to win these elections. It will add strength. NDA is what they've been believing all this while, but now Vijay has made it very clear that his party will never be part of any alliance that contains BJP in it, because he's calling the BJP as a divisive force, as an ideological enemy. Wherever the BJP is, TVK is not going to step foot in that particular area. So this completely erases the possibility of Vijay's TVK aligning with NDA in the upcoming polls.
Thank you very much, Dharini, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. Heading into another short break, more updates lined up for you on the other side. Stay with us.